So today we have a really good camper van review for you. It's the Winnebago National Park Edition, and you don't want to miss it.
We are traveling around the east coast of the United States,
finding the best places to visit or vacation with your RV.
We are weekend warriors, and this is RV East Coast.
Hi everyone, welcome to RV East Coast. It is February and it's beautiful weather out.
Yeah, we got a break, well-deserved break, right?
Break. And we just want to share with you a camper van review. It's the Winnebago
National Park Edition Travato.
Yes, you don't want to miss it. Very cool van. Eli was at the RV show in Atlantic City.
Yeah, this year we want to do more national parks, more state parks. We actually reviewed two different vans during this show. In a second, I'm going to give you Rob, who's going to tell you everything about it. But we decided to split it into two different videos. So in this one, we're going to be talking about the Winnebago National Park Edition Travato. It's a Class B motorhome or camper van, and I think you're going to love it. At the end of this review, we're going to come back and we are going to catch up with you a little bit about some trips that we have planned for this year and what's ahead for RV East Coast.
Good morning, I'm Rober Hensinger from Colonial RV. We're located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, and this weekend we're at the Atlantic City RV show. With the Class B market booming in the last few years, we're very happy to show you today the Winnebago Travato. This is a National Park Edition for the outdoor enthusiasts. A little bit later, we're going to show you something a little bit more aggressive on the 4x4 Mercedes chassis. But first, we'll take a quick walk around the Winnebago Travato. Here in the front with the Dodge Ram, this is the Pro Master chassis. It is front-wheel drive. It's a 6-cylinder engine, and with the National Park, this is a lithium upgraded package, which we can quickly show you as we walk around the vehicle. You're going to see this is the Granite Deluxe upgrade. They have the rubberized bumpers for the outdoor enthusiasts, getting some rocks and some debris kicked up. We have the off-road TAKO2 tires on the 16-inch with the Method wheels. It's a great package, and that is an upgrade specifically for this model. And a lot of our customers have also been upgrading those tires as well. It does have the a little bit brighter yellow striping on the National Park Edition, and these are limited. Winnebago only produced 100 of them last year in 2019, and this year in 2020. This is on the second run of 100, and this was from the first with the yellow. They now have a martini green as well as a silver, but this is the yellow. As you can see, it looks really sleek. And windows, these are the dual pane. These are an umbrella style windows, very, very popular with customers. They want they have ventilation and have the rain not coming in with sliding windows. They are an acrylic and very, very popular. You can see some of the hookups, 30 amp. We got all of your plumbing hookups. This is the Truma vent right here for your hot water as well as your heating system. It's been very, very popular in Europe, and Winnebago has been using it across the line of their Class A, B, and C motorhomes. But in a small coach like this, works very, very efficiently. Back here you got your black tank flush. So this is just for your plumbing system. It's great when you're actually draining your tanks just to kind of wash everything out. As we walk around the rear of the coach, you'll see they have this ladder system. This is actually in its stowed position. It's going to utilize on the roof. They have a rack system. You could take this ladder and you could bring it all the way around on the driver's side, and you could climb up. You can clean anything on the roof. You can store kayaks. So it's a great system just to use the roof. They have a dual bike rack here, so you can bring two bikes with you. The system just drops down. I'll just show you and demonstrate it real quick. As it comes down, then you can just adjust. Depending on the size bicycles, you can adjust these out. Have your two bikes. You're not utilizing your hitch work, which can be used for anything else that you want to tow, up to 3,500 pounds, 350-pound tongue weight. So it works really, really nice to have the bike rack actually anchored to the back doors. Inside the back doors, which you'll see here, very open, and this is the rear bath, which is very attractive to buyers. They like the bathroom pushed all the way to the back of the coach, as opposed to being in a small area up front behind the driver or the passenger. That's the living quarters, so having the bathroom all the way back here is very, very attractive to people. It does have, again, your toilet. You're gonna have a shower that will, there's a curtain that will button up around here, come all the way down to the basin so that none of your cabinetry and water will get out. They do have a drop-down sink, which is great for space, saving space. Brush your teeth, shave, and wash your hands inside your bathroom, which is all in one. Got your hot and cold shower. I got a medicine chest. One of the cool things and modifications a lot of customers will do is they'll take this shower head and kind of just move it. Again, the chassis being metal, they'll actually shower outdoors. So that's very popular with a chassis like this. People put a shower curtain up with some magnets, and now you got a very big open outdoor shower. Very, very attractive, and a lot of our users have already done that with this coach. A couple quick things for utilities and usage. You are going to have nice outdoor LED lights, so if you're working in the dark, coming back to your van after a hike or a mountain bike, you can come. Not only can you get cleaned off with hot water, but you do have a cold. You got a little shower where you can rinse off your feet, rinse the dog or anything that you need to. You're going to have other utilities, power. Again, you got all your hookups here, and you can turn your water pump on, as well as some outdoor LED lighting that's on the plumbing side as well. So you got nice and convenient, and you're going to have some great storage inside the bathroom. You're going to have a wardrobe closet as well. So here on your camping side, you'll see we do have some duplex outlets, great for when you're going to stop and you want to kind of set up camp. You're also going to have an external solar port, which is for the solar panels in addition to the ones on the roof. And then you're going to have some coaxial cables. You can hook up a TV outside. You have some outside speakers, LED lighting as well, so that your camping side, just like the rear of the coach and your driver's side, is well lit. You're going to see the dual pane windows is also carried out on both sides. Here inside the Travato, this is the 59K floor plan. There is also a 59G, which is a little bit different. But one person you'll certainly notice that it's a very open coach. It's with the windows, they just kind of extend on both sides. So it gives people a very good feeling, this floor plan. Up front with the driver and passenger seats that you'll see they both swivel. They have a nice little work area, or someone can have lunch here. Driver can turn this chair around and utilize a little cutting board, countertop space. Very, very open. You're gonna see again all the cabinetry throughout for your storage. These are the Technoform cabinets. It's an Italian manufacturer, which is gonna hold up for the big swings in temperature and humidity changes throughout the year at any given time. Dual, you see here in your cooktop, this is propane gas. So you have a dual, and then you're also gonna have for your sink and to wash your hands and do the dishes. Again, to finish out the kitchen, 12-volt fridge from NovaCool. You're also gonna have a convection microwave oven. You're gonna have some additional drawers down here, and Winnebago also came out with a little safe so that locks here so that you can lock any valuables when you're traveling right underneath here. Again, carrying out the 59K floor plan, the first thing you can notice, it's got two very comfortable looking twin beds. It's very, very popular, especially even for couples, very easy to move around. These beds can be joint. They have some slats that will just come across. In the 59K, there's a few of them. And what you'll do is there's a table that you can take the table out and put it right on this platform, and then you can use these additional cushions just to pop in, make one big bed if you really were gonna stay somewhere for a couple days and you wanted to just take advantage of the bigger space for sleeping. Both of the beds, they're gonna have a chase lounge, so if somebody likes to sleep their heads up, you can adjust it 6 different positions. So if you want to read at night, or people just like to sleep with their head at a different position, not flat, it's great to do with the chase feature. Winnebago, for conveniences, they got a whole bunch of them on both sides, not only USB. They have these night lights, which are also pretty cool reading LED lights that will just push the button twice to get to that feature. One thing Winnebago will also, they give you these little catch-alls. You can put any of your reading glasses, you can put a cell phone, has a little hole, you can charge it, you can put your book in here, so anybody on both sides can just kind of just put all your belongings nice and neat and organized. Here with the shades on the dual pane windows, Instead of having the screen built in a slider, the nice thing is you'll have your screen and we have the windows that can pop out. Unfortunately, this one won't because it has the sliding door. This is the only window in this coach that won't. But when you open up any of the others, just pop the window open and then you'd push it out. You can then just have the screening, or you can have at night a blackout, so then you can have privacy, and that would go all the way throughout the coach, and that's kind of why we demonstrate it in both features here. When you walk in this coach, they do have the mechanical fan. Again, that's a max air, and it's great for ventilation, and right behind it you have the Coleman air conditioner. This is the NDQ, and it also is Bluetooth, so you can just control it while you're laying in bed from your phone, which is great technology that the manufacturer is now installing in all of their Travatos as well as other Class Bs. In addition to controlling the AC from your phone, back here Winnebago organized everything, as you can see, in one spot. So all of your controls, turning on and off your propane, you can do from here. Winnebago also has their tank heaters for the drainage system controlled from here. You're going to have some USB, thermostat, all your power control systems, your tank level readings, battery, Truma for your hot water and your furnace. This unit that we're in, something very special about this Travato, it has the Volta. That's a Pure 3 lithium battery system. So this coach right here does not have a generator. It has a very advanced system along with a 3600 watt inverter. This is a complete off-the-grid vehicle, and they've been building this for over a year now. So it's a very proven system that Winnebago has been installing, not only in the Travato, but also in their Winnebago Bolt. And we sell a lot of these because you come in, you have household AC current by just touching the SOC gauge. You don't have any noise with the generator. Very, very popular for a coach this size. So this rounds up the 2020 Winnebago Travato. This is the 59 KL National Park. This has a list price of $170,000 plus, and the show price that we have from Winnebago and Colonial is $121,000. If you have any questions, certainly let us know. We'd love to help and answer them.
So we hope you like the review. Wasn't that van so amazing? On the next video we have another review for you. This one is gonna be a little bit more rugged, a little bit heavier duty. It's a 4x4. Maybe it doesn't feel as luxurious as this one, National Park Edition, but it's also a really good camper van. What's ahead for this year for RV East Coast? What do we have planned?
Oh, we have a lot of trips planned. I think we're going upstate quite a bit this year.
Yeah, we are hoping to go to the Niagara Falls, right?
We're going to go to Niagara Falls. We're hoping to go to New Hampshire.
Yeah.
Maybe Maine.
Yeah.
That's our goal. We also have a trip to the Outer Banks scheduled.
Yeah, and also please let us know if there are any specific areas or campgrounds that you would like us to visit. This is our channel, but it's yours as well. So that's all we have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Eli.
And I'm Fawn.
And this is RV East Coast, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.